I mentioned yesterday, here in September, it is our second busiest market we got in the GTA. So you're gonna see a lot of homes that pop up, lots of open houses. So if you're a buyer in this market, I encourage you to go to as many open houses. And that's what this video of 2 yeses and 1 no is all about. Things you should be doing in open houses and one thing you probably shouldn't do. So the first thing, yes, it's a great opportunity to check out different areas you may not be familiar with. So go into the area, drive around. The second yes you should do is ask the realtor questions. When you walk in, ask them, about the neighborhood, the school zone, highways, shops, things, anything kind of things you can, like parks, trails, those things you want to ask, and always ask particulars of the home. Age of the roof, age of the windows, HVAC, etc. So ask as many questions you possibly can. If you like the area or you're not familiar with the area, again, never hurts to ask questions. And the no is, believe it or not, if you refuse to sign in, because you're gonna have to give your information, especially nowadays with contact, they wanna know everything that's happening. And unfortunately, we had that realtor that was murdered not that long ago. It's imperative that you sign in. If you say no to signing in, you may be refused to show the home. So yeah, those are the 2 yeses and no. Check out different neighborhoods, ask a lot of questions, and sign in as well.